Happy Valentine's Day! I'm Amy, and today I'm making a Valentine cookie pie. This is a really easy dessert to make, and it turns out pretty and festive for the holiday. The cookie is soft in the center and crispy on the edge. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and take a microwave-safe cup or bowl and add 1 stick of butter. Now melt this in the microwave and then let it cool down some. In a large bowl, add your melted butter, 1 egg, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now whisk this together until it's well combined. Then add 1 1/3 cups of flour. Now stir this together until it's just combined. Then add 1/2 cup of milk chocolate chips and 1/3 cup of Valentine M&Ms. Stir this until combined. Spray a 9-inch pie plate with non-stick cooking spray. Then spoon the batter into the pie plate and spread it out evenly. Next, sprinkle 1/4 cup of Valentine M&Ms on top and slightly press them down into the batter. Now just bake this in the oven for about 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Then remove from oven and place it onto a wire rack. Let the cookie cool in the pie plate for about 30 minutes before serving. And here it is, Valentine Cookie Pie. This is a fun dessert to make for Valentine's Day. Plus, you can change up this recipe by using different candy or flavors of morsels. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Next, sprinkle oh no, now I can't get it. Let the cookie. Cookie. Let the cookie cool. Let the cookie cool. I can't say cookie cool. Let the cookie cool. I don't know how I'm going to say that. Let the cookie cool. Then remove from oven and place it onto a wire rack. Wait.